For many purposes, I met our Honorable CM. Specifically, I submitted a memorandum to our Honorable CM regarding Tamil Elam people's demand. That is, Indian government, the Union Government of India should intervene in the Sri Lankan new creation of constitution. They need federal structure of the with federal structure, they need a new constitution, so that Tamil Nadu government and Tamil Nadu chief minister have to give a pressure to the union government to intervene in this issue. Unitary form of the government should not be there. The federal government should be there. This is the main demand of our Tamil Elam people. So I request our Honorable CM to give a pressure to the union government to intervene in this issue.